Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Resident Evil 4 on your phone. We will cover the straightforward process of setting up an emulator and acquiring the game file. This easy method allows you to experience the iconic survival horror adventure wherever you go. You will be surprised how quickly you can dive into the action, facing off against terrifying enemies and solving intricate puzzles, all from the palm of your hand. To begin, you will need to download a PlayStation 2 emulator. Search your phone's app store for a well-regarded option, often available for free. Once installed, open the application and follow any initial setup prompts. It is crucial to grant the emulator access to your device's storage so it can locate and save game files. This foundational step takes only a few minutes, preparing your phone for the next stage of the process. Now you will need the Resident Evil 4 game file itself. This is typically an ISO or ROM file, which you can find through a quick online search from reputable sources. Once downloaded, transfer this file to a specific folder on your phone, perhaps one named Games or ROM. Then, launch your emulator, use its file browser to locate your game, and select it to load. This prepares the game for its first launch. Before diving in, take a moment to optimize your experience. Within the emulator settings, you can adjust graphics options like resolution and frame rate to balance performance and visuals. Crucially, customize the on-screen touch controls to your liking. Placement and size make a huge difference. For an even better experience, consider pairing a Bluetooth controller. With these adjustments, you are now ready to enjoy Resident Evil 4 on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.